the musical prodigy. Hi Lydian, thank you for giving us an opportunity to get to know you. You have grown to be such an inspiration for children around the world who love music.
Those are some very kind words. It's my pleasure to talk to you.
You have quite an unusual name. I believe there's a story behind it. Can you share that with us?
Sure. My father, Satish Varshan, who is a musician himself, was fond of the Kalyani Rag in Carnatic music. When I was born, my parents wished to name me after this melodic scale. Since they couldn't name me Kalyani, they picked its western parallel Lydian, and then they added the second name, Nadaswaram.
That's a remarkable story. But why Nadaswaram?
Nadaswaram is a South Indian wind instrument. It is considered auspicious and is used in temple ceremonies and at weddings. My father liked the meaning of this word. Nadam meaning the tone and Swaram meaning a musical note.
Incredible! What attracted you to the piano?
My father played the keyboard and my sister played the piano. So at home, I was used to listening to a variety of music. When I was 8 years old, I saw a Chinese boy playing incredible piano. I was inspired by him and decided to play the piano.
How did you take this journey of learning the piano ahead?
Seeing my interest in the piano, my father started motivating me to play it every day. My father explained to me the importance of music. My perseverance and hard work helped me further. I became passionate about playing the piano. I then took piano lessons from Augustine Paul, an established music teacher, and Surojit Chatterjee, a great pianist.
Tell us something about your first big performance in the country.
I remember it clearly. I first performed on the occasion of the National Piano Day at the Tata Theatre of the National Centre for Performing Arts in Mumbai. It was on 10th September 2016 and I was 10 years old back then.
I'm sure you mesmerized the audience with your performance, isn't it?
Well, I did what I could do best. I played a jazz rendition of the evergreen song Autumn Leaves. After my performance, the audience gave me a long standing ovation.
What are the memories that are close to your heart?
One of my favorite memories would be when I played my first instrument. I was 23 months old then. I stunned everyone at my place by playing a beat on the floor with 2 xylophone sticks. I played it in a proper tempo. My father then quickly converted a cardboard box into a makeshift drum and recorded this achievement. I'm still amazed at how I was able to do it.
That's the mark of a genius, I must say. Is there any other memory that you would like to share?
Yes, another memory is of the time when I was traveling in a flight for the first time. My father, who was traveling with me, pointed out that my thoughts and achievements must be so high that all problems and obstacles should seem insignificant. This memory is stuck with me till date.
When did you start performing with your father and sister?
My father was already an established musician. My sister Varshini played the piano, and I started accompanying them on drums for shows at the age of 3.
What are your accomplishments as a drummer?
I was featured by Pogo in 2013 as the best and fastest child drummer in India. In February 2017, I performed a drum solo at Mumbai's National Drum Day.
Fantastic! What other percussion instruments can you play?
At 8, I could play the Indian percussion instruments, the tabla and the mridangam. I am not a master in all percussion instruments, but I can play almost all percussion instruments in the world now.
Coming back to Lydian the pianist, you stunned everybody by playing Mozart, Beethoven, Chopin, and Liszt within a few months. I'm told that you can play the piano blindfolded. How did you do that?
I can effortlessly identify chords and notes, so it becomes easy for me to play the pieces of great composers after some practice. I remember when I was 9 years of age, It so happened one day that my sister wrapped a towel around my eyes and challenged me to play a simple piece on the piano. But I ended up playing a much complex piece. Now, I use the blindfold to test if I have mastered a piece and can play it with my eyes closed. That's something I can humbly say I have in common with the maestro Mozart.
What more do you wish to accomplish in the future?
I have one desire, that whichever instrument I play, I must play it to the best of my ability so that it touches the hearts of the listeners and, in turn, inspires them to fulfill their own dreams and aspirations.
What message would you like to give to the students reading your interview?
My message is that a child should follow the path shown by his or her parents. My sister and I are blessed to have such parents who have always inspired us and taught us good values. I believe selflessness and humility would be the best way to reach great heights. If we are selfless and humble, we would receive love from the world in return. My father says that nothing is greater than love in this world, and I believe in his words.
You've left me speechless. It was a pleasure to know you. I'm sure your future holds the promise of many more achievements. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. I'm honored and grateful to you for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts and experiences.